friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Welcome to my third series video on fractions. In my last two videos already we have uploaded videos on fractions, means introduction and types of fractions, and how to find out the equivalent fraction, and the last one how to convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, and the vice versa, means improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Now in this video I am going to talk about how to find out the simpler form of a fractions. What is simpler form? In my last video we know that how to find out the equivalent fraction of a given fractions. Again I repeat this equivalent fraction because according to the equivalent fraction, simpler form of a fraction is the vice versa, means opposite. Suppose this is a 2 by 3. Again I repeat about equivalent fraction of a fraction. Suppose this is 2 by 3. You can write here 4 by 6, 3 by 9, 8 by 12. All are equal. This is 4 by 6, 3 by 9, 8 by 12. All are equivalent fractions because a same number will multiply it with both numerator and denominator. Here we multiply 2, we get 4 by 6. By multiplying 3, so this is 6, we multiplying 3 we get 6 by 9, and again multiplying with 4 we get 8 by 12. So all are equivalent fraction. If you have questions to find out an equivalent fraction having denominator 12 of 2 by 3, then you can write here 8 by 12, because denominator 12 means you have to convert, you have to change 3 to 12. So how could you convert it, how could you transfer it? By multiplying 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, so that's why 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 2 into 4 is 8. This is equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Now our topic in this video is simpler form of a fraction. Suppose there is a question to find out the simpler form. Suppose this is a fraction 4 by 6, it is a proper fraction, and you have to find out the simpler form of a fraction. Simpler form means just look the denominator and numerator, follow the numerator and denominator and find these numbers in a table. Suppose 4 and 6, here numerator is 4 and denominator is 6. You have to find out such a number table, so that 4 and 6 both are present in this table. It is 2. If you remember 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 4 and 6 both are present in 2 table, but not in 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, etc. So you can write here by dividing these 2, because both this number 4 and 6 present in 2 table. So by cancelling by 2, after cancellation by 2, you can write here 2 by 3. Also simpler form is also equal to the given one. Here 4 by 6 is the given fraction. To find out the simpler form of this 4 by 6, 2 by 3 is the simpler form of the simplest form. You can say least form of a fraction. You can say least form of a fraction, which is 2 by 3. Because again 2 by 3 cannot divisible by a same number. Here 4 by 6 present in a one table, means it is 2 table. 4 and 6 both numbers present in 2 tables, so it cancelled by 2. But 2 1 3 except 1, 2 1 3 and not divisible by any other singular number except 1. So it is the least form, 2 by 3. Finally, you can say that if numerator and denominator have a common factor, then you can find out the simpler form. Suppose this is 15 by 25. This is 15 by 25. 15 and 25, you know the factor of 15 and you know the factor of 25. Both 15 and 25 are present in 5 table. So you can cancel by 5. So it will be 3 by 5, and further 3 by 5 cannot be cancelled by any other number except 1. So 3 by 5 is the least form of the 15 by 25. Suppose another questions, 28 by 32. 28 by 32. Both the number cancelled by 2. Because 28, 32 both are even numbers, so present in 2 table. So you can cancel here. 14 by 32 is 16. 28 by 32, the simpler form is 14 by 16 by cancellation of 2, but it is not the simplest form of 28 by 32. Why? Because again 14 and 16, the numerator 14 and 16 have common factor 2. So again you cancel it, so you can write here 7 by 8. Now 7 by 8 cannot be further cancelled by any same number except 1. So 7 by 8 is the simplest form, is the least form of 28 by 32 fraction. Again I repeat it, simpler form means, equivalent form means you just multiply with such a same number with both numerator and denominator. Simpler form means you have to divide, you have to factorize the both numerator and denominator with a same number. So here 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3, and this 4 by 6 cancelled by 2, because 4 and 6 both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. Again 15 by 25, the second example, 15 by 25 both are divisible by 5. It has 5 as its common factor, so cancel with 5. Then the least form of this 15 by 25 is 3 by 5. Then the exceptional case is 28 by 32, when you divide by 2, because both are even numbers. When you divide by 2, the result is 14 by 16, but 14 by 16 is not the simpler form of these fractions, because 14 by 16 again it has common factor 2. It has 2 as its common factor, so again cancel by 2. Then the number is 7 by 8, and 7 by is the next 7 by 8 is the simpler form of this 28 by 32. This is simpler form of a fraction. The vice versa, equivalent fraction means multiply both numerator and denominator with such a same number, and simpler form means divide both numerator and denominator with such a same number. Okay, then next proceed to another topic, another part of fractions, that there is two types of fractions. One is like fraction and another one is unlike fractions. Like fractions. First know what is like fractions. Like fractions means if there are some fractions having same denominator. These are some fractions having same denominator. Maybe it is proper, improper, or anything. Proper, improper, or mixed fraction. You can convert mixed fraction to improper fraction to check whether it is like fraction or not. First of all, like fraction means it has same denominator. These are the fractions having same denominator. Suppose 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 9 by 3, 8 by 3. All are like fractions because these 5 fractions have 3 as its denominator. Same denominator contains all the 5 fractions. 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 9 by 3, 8 by 3. Between these fractions, among these fractions, there are some proper fraction and also there are some improper fractions in them. But all are like fractions. Then the next one is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means different denominator. Here like fractions means same denominator. Unlike fractions means different denominators. Different denominators. Suppose example 7 by 8, 3 by 9, 1 by 2, 4 by 6, 8 by 5. There are also 5 fractions having different denominator. So these are unlike fractions. If you take like fractions, it is easy to plot on a number line to compare which is greater, which is smaller. But in the case of unlike fractions, it is difficult to compare which is greater and which is smaller between them. So this is like fraction and unlike fractions. Again, I repeated this video, the content of this video. First, we follow the simpler form of a fraction. Simpler form of fractions means you have to divide both numerator and denominator by a same number. And till now, both the numerator and denominator don't have any common factors except 1. You have to divide both numerator and denominator till both the numerator and denominator doesn't have any don't have any common factor except 1. If the numbers again divisible by any number without 1, then you can divisible again and find the least form, find the simpler form. Then follow like fraction and unlike fractions. Like fractions means having same denominator. There are some fractions, more than one fractions having same denominator. Examples are given in front of you. And then the last one is unlike fractions having different denominators. These are some examples. There are some examples in front of you having different denominators. They are unlike fractions. By the help of like fractions, we can compare, we can plot a number line. It is very easy to compare and it is very easy to plot on number line. But unlike fractions, it is very difficult to compare which is greater, which is smaller. You have to calculate some more process. You have to follow some more procedure to compare unlike fractions. So this is all about simpler form of fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. In my next video, we will learn about comparison of fractions, means which is greater and which is smaller. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.